We are driving here in the Ugab River in Namibia. The Ugab River flows between the Brandberg Mountains to the south and the Namib Desert to the north. Flowing is not the correct word. This river flows only a few days each year, but underground it flows much longer. Desert animals therefore come down to the river to look for underground water, green trees or another animal to eat. We could see some elephant dung while we were driving in the dry riverbed. The Ugab is especially known for regular visits from the desert elephants, and we wanted to see this special breed of elephants. We therefore spent some time driving in the Ugab River. But as you can expect from a 12-ton vehicle driving in very loose sand, we got stuck. We dropped the tire pressure from 8 bars to 4 bars, but that didn't help at all. We were still stuck. So time to use our new winch. First, 30 meters of steel cable, but that wasn't long enough to reach the big tree. Therefore, another 30 meters of synthetic rope. And let's hope I don't meet one of the desert lions here. And the winch worked very well, but very slowly. We put a heavy tree branch on the cable to prevent backlash in case the cable snapped. An hour later, back in search of the elephants. By late afternoon, we found a peaceful camping spot in the river and I continued by foot looking for the ellis. I found only spoor. After a very peaceful sleep, we woke up with 2 ellis eating a few meters away from our truck. And quite destructive they can be. I made the stupid decision to go closer to them. All okay, till the smallest one turned around and did a few paces in my direction. Time to run. Later in the day, we left the Ugab River for the desert, looking for other desert animals. And we found again a fantastic wild camping site.